Doge bounced off a crucial support level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Doge analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. As you guys can see, yesterday we did get a confirmation of a break on Doge over on the 12.4. We did get some nice wicks to the downside, but we didn't even test the 11-cent level that we were looking to test. Ideally, you can see that Doge did find a 4-hour support right over here at 11.7. And I mentioned this to you guys before. When you have these massive move sets, it's very, very important to start paying attention to the wicks to the downside. These wicks to the downside can lead to some medium-term support, and right now you can see that's exactly where Doge bounced off. As soon as we hit this level around this wick, you can see that that's exactly the level we bounced, saw that confirmation break above that support, and now we're trading up once again. Ideally for Doge though, we didn't get to see that massive move like we saw in the other cryptocurrency pairs today. What I would like to see is us actually hold this level, not be a fake out situation, because we have to be very careful here. What we don't want to see is this massive move to the downside, find that pullback opportunity, and then that continuation, which can definitely happen on Doge overall. Of course, today, or rather tomorrow, is the weekend, so we have to be very, very careful because now there is a lack of liquidity in the market. Ideally, from a bullish case scenario though, if we do break above this support level and we actually find it as support, the next retest will be my overall level at 0.168. This level, as you guys know from my previous videos, is a very important level for me because of the fact that on the daily, you can see every time we hit that level, we saw that move to the downside. Ideally, before on Doge, we saw 3 tests at this daily resistance level and then that confirmation to the downside. This would become the 4th test. As you guys saw over on Matic, usually when you have that many tests, you have a very explosive move on Doge. Can this lead into an explosive move? We have to wait until we see that 0.168 level. Of course, on the lower time frames, if we do start to see that rejection, we will be looking for that shorting opportunity. But my best advice to you guys is possibly wait before you actually enter that position. You don't want to be entering that position a little too soon because of the fact that if we do see a breakout formation and then a continuation like we saw over on Matic, the move will be extreme, right? You don't want to be getting caught in those kind of positions. Ideally, what you want to do right now is if you do see a clean move above, see that consolidation and then that confirmation, you want to be entering a long position because like I said in the Bitcoin video today, if you guys look for that confirmation, possibly retesting this resistance, you can see that you can pretty much ride the wave up, hitting that resistance. If you start to see it resist, then exit that position. But if best case scenario we actually break above that resistance and continue pushing further, you can definitely play that breakout overall. Right now though, on the lower time frames for Doge, you can see that we are right above the support level at 0.124. We are starting to see some more bearish engulfing candles over on the 1-hour time frame, but this is still too early to say whether or not we will break. Of course, if we do get a very clean break formation like this and we break these lows, then be prepared to actually test that 0.11 level down there for sure. But as long as we continue trading above these levels, we can possibly be looking for a slow ladder up to around the 0.136 and then that continuation. From the bullish case, of course, on the lower time frames, we would like to break above this 0.136 because of the fact that you can see this acted as a support and acted as a resistance. So if we were to look at it from this perspective, you can see that we had multiple wicks at this entry, multiple tests over here, and multiple tests over here. So we would like to see that confirmation of a breakout, use it as support, and then that continuation. That's going to be very key for the lower time frames on the hourly, but of course we would like that confirmation for the 4-hour time frames because those are the time frames that personally I use for that overall confirmation. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have a